Hey guys, welcome to Dustin Rocks. Today we're going to be cutting a Thunderegg. So, we have a few to choose from, different kinds. But we have this triple one. I think I want to cut this triple one today. Just kind of want to see how it turns out. So yeah. So we're going to go over to our saw. This is a Phantom 18-inch saw. So, I'll pull this back a little bit. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the rock in the vise. I'm gonna find the nearest notch. Make sure the Thunderegg, you just want the Thunderegg a little under half in the vise. Okay. And you want to tighten it so the rock's tight. And I want to give it like a half to quarter turn. And make sure it's tight. Then we're gonna make this. I'm gonna move this over until you want the blade to go directly through. And that's about as far as it can go, and that's about perfect. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut the rock saw and turn on. And yeah, and then we wait for it to cut. Been about 15 minutes. It's done cutting. So I think it looks pretty good. Let's pull this thing out of the vise. That's what this side looks like. So that's what it looks like. So now what we're gonna do is I set that down, and I got some soapy water. We're just gonna put both these in the soapy water. Let those sit for 2 or 3 days, and then I'll get back to you after these are finished soaking. Okay guys, it's been a couple days. Now we're gonna take it out of our simple green. Actually, got a paper towel here. So we're gonna take it out, dry it off, get as much of it off as we can. Okay. Now we're gonna move it over to into our kitty litter. And what the kitty litter is gonna do is it's gonna get out any of the moisture left on the rock. It's gonna basically dry it out. And then we're gonna let it sit. Okay guys, it's been a week. Now it's time to sand. So grab our rocks out of here. They're all dried out. They have a matte finish. Set them up here. set them up here. And yeah, so we're gonna be sanding the high-speed sander. I'm gonna be wearing a respirator mask thing. Then these things protect my eyes. So yeah. Hey guys, we're gonna start out with 60 grit. We're just gonna lightly start sanding. Hey guys, this one looks pretty good. Now we're going to move on to the next one. Yeah, I just finished sanding with the 60 grit. Now it's time to change to the... Now we're going to be changing to 220. Okay, so we just finished sanding. Now we're on to our final grit, which is 400. Okay, we just finished sanding. They're already almost shine. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water to my serum. Then we'll start buffing. So all we're doing right now is basically we're gonna take our rock. We're just gonna kind of hold it here, and then you're gonna apply more pressure than sanding, but you don't want to be putting all your weight on it. That's basically gonna kind of do that, and you want to get mostly all the angles when you're doing this. Slim basically so it gets in every single space that there is. This buffer wheel is just leather. It's basically just a big spinning leather disc that you put the serum on, and it just makes it shiny. So yeah. Okay guys, this is the next day. I think they turned out pretty good. Comment down below what you think.